This is the Marantz SM200 Super System, our premium inline cleaning system consisting of 3 stations: pre-wash, ultrasonic wash, and rinse. This system was designed to clean everything from large electronics to large industrial parts and batches of contents of all types. Each station features an electric lift that can lower and raise up to 250 pounds with the touch of a foot switch. With the Super System's 200-gallon capacity per tank and tremendous power, this allows for fast and easy processing for all of your cleaning needs. Here's how it works. The tanks are filled with tap water to 75% capacity. The heaters on the pre-wash and ultrasonic wash stations are set to the appropriate temperature as per the instructions provided to you by Marantz. The digital temperature display on both machines allows you to easily monitor the temperature with a glance. Our water softener, called Activator, and our cleaning solution, called Synergizer, are added to the pre-wash and ultrasonic wash machines. The amount of Activator used will vary depending on the quality of water in your location. For most cleaning applications, only a couple of ounces of cleaning solution are added to the pre-wash and 24 ounces to the ultrasonic machine. Solutions are non-toxic, non-flammable, and biodegradable. The rinse tank is frequently used with our optional deionization system, providing pure water without any minerals that can leave spots when items dry or create issues when washing electronics. A quick check of the water quality prior to use with the provided TDS meter, and you are ready to go to work. Turn on the pre-wash pump with the touch of a foot pedal and activate the bubbler system to create a warm, aerated bubble bath to remove the top layers of dirt and soot from items you will be cleaning. Load items onto the electric lift. If items are large enough, they can be placed directly on the lift. Or choose to load the stainless steel baskets that are part of the Super System upgrade kit. These can be configured by choosing the appropriate baskets for the size of the items you are cleaning. 12 small contents baskets can fit on the lift at once, allowing for large batch cleaning. There's also a content basket with fine mesh for jewelry and other small items. Or a combination of small and medium baskets may be appropriate. Or larger baskets can be used. Our dish rack basket is very popular for cleaning loads of dishes or other items you wish to divide. Once loaded, lower your items on the electric lift into the pre-wash machine and let the bubbles, heat, and cleaning solution gently remove top layers of dust, dirt, soot, and other contaminants to prepare for cleaning in the ultrasonic machine. Raise baskets up easily with the touch of a foot pedal. Water will drain back into the machine without mess or strain. Slide baskets over to the next station on the system's optional stainless steel lids, which act as bridges from station to station, simplifying the entire cleaning process. Along with the lifts, this minimizes concerns related to lifting and bending. Load baskets onto the ultrasonic wash machine lift, lower into the tank with the foot pedal, and then activate the ultrasonic process by tapping on the 2 foot pedals for the ultrasonic generators. With 4,000 watts of true cleaning power, the SM200 Super Mighty One ultrasonic cleaner lives up to its name by cleaning large batches quickly and easily. The ultrasonic power can be reduced if necessary by using the intensity dial on the ProWave generator. This gives the operator control over the items being cleaned if less power is preferred or needed. Bring items out of the ultrasonic cleaning machine on the lift and slide to the deionized rinse station. Load the lift for the rinse. Once items are brought to the bottom, they are raised out of the tank. Use the commercial sprayer as needed to detail items. For drying, utilize the Marantz blow dry gun to quick dry many items. It's a must-have tool for drying wood and electronics. Marantz also manufactures a powerful drying cabinet that allows you to load up to 12 baskets at a time and dry standard contents in approximately 5 minutes. It's so powerful that it can be used as an electronics dryer with features like built-in ozone for deodorization and a 24-hour timer. The Marantz Dry-Rite drying cabinet is a great add-on to any super system. If you would prefer to build your own drying room, Marantz also has tools for this. Ask your Marantz representative about what you need to build your own drying room. As you can see, the Marantz Super System allows you to process large batches of items easily and within minutes. Results are superior and consistent, and cost of labor is significantly reduced. If you'd like to learn more about how to increase profits with the Marantz Super System, please call us at 215-969-0266. and visit our website at www.ultrasonicmachines.com. Thank you.